Hello viewers, still on trigonometry. We are going to find the exact value of sec pi over 4. Okay, now if you look at the question, we are given the angle in radian, and so before we can solve, we have to convert this pi over 4. Pi over 4 means it is given in radian. So before we can solve, we have to convert it from radian to degree so that we solve. Now to do that, we know that 1 degree equal to pi over 180 rad, that's radian. And so since we are converting from radian to degree, our x here is going to be in the left hand side, and then we have radian to be pi over 4 here. That's what we are considering. So if we cross multiply at this point, so if I cross multiply, I'll say this multiplying this and this multiplying this. Okay, so we are going to have x times pi over 180 equal to 1 degree, or we can decide to times pi over 4. Okay, so this times this will give us x pi over 180 equal to 1 times this will give us pi over 4. So if we cross multiply again, let me write it properly. If we cross multiply again, this one will come here, this will be coming here, so that we have 4 times x pi equal to 180 pi. Okay, so this times this will give us 4 x pi equal to 180 pi. So pi can cancel out, so we are left with 4x equal to 180. And so because we are looking for the value of x, we now say divide both sides. You can call this equation 1. Divide both sides of equation 1 by 4. So when we do that, we have 4x all over 4 divided by 180 all over 4. This will go 4 here, 1, 4. Okay, let me take 2 to make it easy. 4 here, 2. Okay, 2 here, 2. 2 into 4 is 2. Into 18, 9, 0, 0. 2 here, 1. 2 into 90, 45. So we have that our x equal to 45 degree. And I can say where x is the angle in degree. So now that we've converted from radian, sec pi over 4 from radian to degree, we can now say that sec pi over 4 is now equal to sec 45 degree. So we now have the value of sec in degree. But we have to recall that sec is equal to 1 over cos, or you can say that sec theta, if you add an angle to it, since we have an angle, is equal to 1 over cos theta. So if this is true, we can now say that as sec 45 degree equal to 1 over cos 45 degree. So we can now at this point punch the value of cos 45 in our calculator. So we say cos 45 equal to, so cos 45 is root 2 over 2. So this will be equal to 1 over root 2 divided by 2. So 1 over root 2 divided by 2 can be expressed as, this is the major division sign, so which is this one here. So this can be expressed as 1 divided by root 2 over 2. Okay, this is the major division sign, so this is another one. So this can be expressed as 1 divided by root 2 over 2 can be expressed in this format. And then it can further be expressed in this format, 1 over 1 times. Once we introduce this multiplication sign in place of the division, one side of this will change, and this will be 2 over root 2. And so 1 times 2 will give us 2. 1 times root 2 will give us root 2. Now, this is an irrational number, so we have to rationalize it. And so to rationalize it, we multiply this by the conjugate of the denominator. So we multiply it by root 2 over root 2. Okay, so when we do that, we are going to have 2 times root 2 will give us 2 root 2 all over. Root 2 times root 2 will give us root 4. Okay, so this is equal to 2 root 2 divided by root 4 is the same thing as square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So if we cancel out this, this is 1, this is 1. So our answer is going to be root 2. And so what does this imply? It means that the exact value of sec pi over 4 is equal to root 2. Thank you.